Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of optic fiber and learn how to make our very own. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to understand what optic fiber is. Optic fiber is a flexible, transparent fiber made of glass or plastic which is used to transmit light signals. It's the backbone of modern communication systems, allowing us to send data at lightning-fast speeds. Now, let's talk about the materials we'll need to make our own optic fiber. You'll need a few basic items, including a glass tube, a laser, a power supply, and a few other tools. To start, we'll need to clean the glass tube. Use a clean cloth or a brush to remove any dirt or debris. Next, we'll need to create a core in the center of the tube. This is the part that will carry the light signals. You can do this by heating up a small piece of glass and inserting it into the tube. Once the core is in place, we'll need to coat the fiber with a cladding material. This will protect the core and help guide the light signals. You can use a variety of materials for this, including plastic or glass. Now, it's time to create the fiber. Using a laser, you'll need to heat the core and cladding material to a specific temperature. This will cause the materials to melt and fuse together, creating the optic fiber. Once the fiber is made, you'll need to test it to make sure it's working properly. You can do this by connecting it to a light source and measuring the intensity of the light signal that's transmitted. And there you have it. You've successfully made your own optic fiber. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is a pretty complex process, and it's not something you should attempt without proper training and safety precautions. Optic fiber production is a highly specialized field, and it's best left to the professionals. But the good news is, you don't need to make your own optic fiber to enjoy the benefits of this amazing technology. You can use it every day in your smartphone, your computer, and even your TV. So, there you have it, folks. A quick overview of how to make optic fiber. I hope you found this information interesting and helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-tastic content. Thanks for watching, and happy tinkering!